Okay, I am Dr. Pooja Rai Pradhan. I am Chief Operating Officer for Excelsior Education Society's group of institution. KC College of Engineering and Management Studies and Research, Thane is one of the institutions under Excelsior's. KC College is one of the most reputed and very old engineering college in the Thane and Mumbai region. And the alumni have been very successful and highly placed with successful entrepreneurs, successful corporate leaders, cricketers, international artists and cine artists coming out of this campus.
We have good infrastructure for academic enhancement, which includes Wi-Fi campus, industry-powered labs, computer-assisted lab for improving communication skills of students for global market, ample classrooms, green library having digital resources in the form of journals, videos, and spacious auditorium. For extracurricular activities, we have volleyball court, cricket pitch, gymkhana for indoor games, gymnasium for physical exercise, and a herbal garden.
I'm working here from last 15 years and it is a great journey working in this college. Our college always encourages us to participate for technical, administrative and research activities to overall development of the student and faculty.
We believe in the holistic development of a student. Being in a technical institute, we try our student to profile in technical arena by participating in various international and national workshops and seminars. Apart from this, we try to inculcate social and ethical values by making them participate in Rotaract clubs, YRC, that is Youth Red Cross, NSS, adopting a village and making a great social connect.
We conduct bridge courses to overcome industry-academia gap. Our students undergo various internship program and placement program which make them industry ready. We have very strong alumni connect. Our alumni are in companies like Microsoft, TCS, Infosys, which give our students insight in companies and to make them aware of cutting edge technology.
Okay, so at KC College of Engineering and Management Studies, we have 3 undergraduate courses and 1 postgraduate course. The undergraduate courses are Bachelor of Engineering for Computer Science, for Information Technology, Electronics and Telecommunication, and the postgraduate program is for Management, that is called as MMS, Master in Management Studies. So at KC College, we have a very good mix of old experienced staff as well as some young industry exposed staff, and they work together to make our academic curriculum very robust and very industry inclusive.
Starting a career with good job is a dream for all the students who take admission in professional studies. We call it a journey from campus to corporate. We apply collaborative approach in working with the industry by signing MOUs in various verticals like automation, IoT, mobile technology, software development, etc. We have established a learning and development center at our college by observation of industrial trends, where we call up industries to train our students in various verticals. These verticals are including mobile technology, software development, etc. Holistically, the entire process is called multi-track skilling model. We have also removed the boundaries from the college so that students can go and explore the corporate culture and understand it by doing internship, working on live projects, having hands-on experience on certain projects, etc. So entire process and concept is to help them placed at various and good companies. Thank you.
Okay, to talk about our achievements, we have a very long list of accolades which won't be possible to tell here, but to sum up few of the recent ones. January 2019, we have received ICON Award for Academic Excellence for Engineering stream. Then this year, May 31st, we received a Midday Award of Excellence in Academics for our Engineering as well as Management program. The same award we had received in 2018 as well for our Engineering program. And then the Worldwide Achievers Association has credited us with some of the innovations in education. Then coming to the Entrepreneur Development Cell is one of the strongest cell in our department, and it has achieved second position at India level competition organized by IIT Bombay. Then our 4 to 5 teams have been at the national level of Smart India Hackathon for the last 3 consecutive years. So these are some of the recent accolades, I would say. However, the list goes quite.
At EDC, we promote the spirit of entrepreneurship within the students who are aspiring to become entrepreneurs, enhancing their skills and encouraging them to solve basic societal problems related to environment and healthcare and agriculture, using the latest technologies like IoT, AI and machine learning. KCE is associated with many industries and healthcare centers to whom consultancies have been provided. We now have several entrepreneurs with successful startups within the campus and outside the campus. Our college has developed a full-fledged incubation center where budding entrepreneurs are nurtured to become self-employable first and then successful entrepreneurs. Thank you.
So like the spectacular track record we have in the past, we would also like to make a mark in the future. To sum up some of the future plans, I would say that we already have a full-fledged incubation center running in the campus. However, we would like to extend this facility to the people outside who have very strong ideas and innovative ideas on which they would like to work, and we would like to come up with more incubation centers in Thane and Mumbai region. Secondly, I would like to see KC College grow up as a reputed skill center in the Thane and Mumbai region. We would also like to collaborate, and we are working for it, with foreign universities for dual degree program. And the last thing that we are working right now is on getting a full-fledged autonomy for our institute.